Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the definitions of the fundamental units and supplementary units. एक बात आपको याद रखना है, एक बात वो ये कि इसकी जो डेफिनेशन मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ उसकी डेफिनेशन आपको याद नहीं रखना है, वो तो मुझे भी याद नहीं है। इसलिए मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मैं आप लोगों को डेफिनेशन का जो पॉइंट्स है, क्योंकि पॉइंट्स इधर से उधर नहीं होने चाहिए, वो सारे पॉइंट्स को मैं वन बाय वन देख के ही पढ़ूंगा और आपको समझाऊंगा। इसलिए आपको देख के ही पढ़ना है। आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये डेफिनेशन जो मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ ये किसी भी एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाली है और आपको ये याद भी नहीं रखना है, बस समझना है आपको कि ये डेफिनेशन का क्या मतलब है। पहला पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द लेंथ and the unit of length is meter and symbol is small m. The definition you can also open your NCERT and these definition is written in your NCERT book. You can open or you can download it from the from the internet. Okay, first point, that is meter. How the meter is defined? Meter 1 meter is defined as the length of path traveled by light in vacuum during the time interval of 1 by 299,792,458. Means, what is the meaning? You all know that light travel, speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is basically 299,792,458 meter per second. Approximately you can write is it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or approximately you can write 3 into 10 to the power 8, but the actual velocity of light is 299,792,458 meter per second. Means light will travel this amount of meter in 1 second. You can write 1 meter. Means अगर हम कह सकते हैं कि लाइट इतने मीटर 1 सेकेंड में ट्रेवल करती है, तो इसका अगर हम 1 अपॉन कर दें तो 1 सेकेंड में लाइट कितना मीटर ट्रेवल करेगी, या हम कह सकते हैं कि 1/299,792,458 सेकेंड में जो लाइट ट्रेवल करेगी वो करेगी 1 मीटर। 1 सेकेंड 1 अपॉन दिस अमाउंट सेकेंड में जो लाइट ट्रेवल करेगी, that length is 1 meter. Once again I will read this definition, that is the length of the path traveled by the light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299,792,458 of a second. Okay, next point, that is mass. Mass and unit of mass is kilogram and symbol is kg. How it is defined? 1 kilogram is the mass of prototype. Prototype you can say as a prototype का मतलब होता है मॉडल को कह सकते हैं हम लोग कि एक मॉडल है, एक सिलिंड्रिकल मॉडल रख दिया गया है कहाँ पे, एक लेबोरेटरी में, और इसका मास मान लिया गया है कि वो 1 किलोग्राम है। इसको मान लेते हैं, देखा इसमें 1 किलोग्राम इज द मास ऑफ प्रोटोटाइप सिलेंडर ऑफ प्लैटिनम इरिडियम alloy whose height is equal to its diameter, preserved in the International Bureau of Weight and Measures near Paris. Means फ्रांस में ये सिलेंडर रखा हुआ है जो प्लैटिनम इरिडियम का बना हुआ है। प्लैटिनम इरिडियम का इसलिए बना हुआ है क्योंकि उसका जो डिके रेट होता है बहुत ही कम होता है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली नेग्लिजिबल होता है। किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर हम रखते हैं, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर हम रखते हैं तो उसका डिके होता है, डिके रेट किसी का बहुत कम होता है, किसी का जैसे प्लैटिनम इरिडियम के अगर एक एलॉय बनाया जाए तो उसका जो डिके रेट होता है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 0 होता है। इसलिए प्लैटिनम इरिडियम का एलॉय लिया गया, क्योंकि अगर ये 1000 साल के बाद भी इसको देखा जाए तो इसका वेट कम नहीं होगा। तो इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि एक सिलेंडर बनाया गया जो कि प्लैटिनम इरिडियम का होगा, जो कि फ्रांस में रखा है, और उस प्रोटोटाइप, उस मॉडल का जो वेट है वो 1 किलोग्राम के बराबर है, और उसी से कंपेयर करके हम 1 किलोग्राम का जो भी वेट बनाना होगा हम बनाएंगे। Next point, that is time. Time, a unit of time is second. What is the definition? Definition: 1 second is the duration of 91926317770. 91926317770. Period of radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyper levels of the ground state of the cesium 133. cesium 133 एक एलिमेंट है। इस एलिमेंट के जो ग्राउंड स्टेट है, ये फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट है, जिसको हम ग्राउंड स्टेट कहते हैं। दूसरा ऑर्बिट होता है, इसको हम दूसरा ऑर्बिट, ये ग्राउंड स्टेट, ये फर्स्ट सेकेंड ऑर्बिट, ये थर्ड ऑर्बिट। जब जो एटम्स होते हैं वो जंप करते हैं फ्रॉम ग्राउंड लेवल टू फर्स्ट लेवल और ग्राउंड लेवल टू सेकेंड लेवल। ये ऑर्बिट्स हैं। फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट को हम बोलते हैं ग्राउंड स्टेट, सेकेंड ऑर्बिट को हम सेकेंड ऑर्बिट बोलते हैं या फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट कहते हैं। तो फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट में या सेकेंड एक्साइटेड स्टेट में आता है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं कि इसको हम ट्रांजिशन कहते हैं। जंपिंग फ्रॉम वन लेवल टू अनदर लेवल इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिशन। एक बार फिर से बोल देता हूं मैं। 1 second is the duration of 91926317770। इतने टाइम ये ट्रांजिशन होता है, उस ड्यूरेशन को हम बोलते हैं 1 second। This is especially for cesium 133, cesium 133. Okay. Next point is ampere, or you can say the electric current. Their symbol is capital A. What is the definition? The definition is 1 ampere is that constant current which if maintained in two straight parallel conductor of infinite length of negligible cross section and placed 1 meter apart. देख लेते हैं इसको भी। To infinite, this is the infinite. To infinite, this dotted line shows that the wire is infinitely long and distance between these two wires is 1 meter, infinitely long, and the wire have current I. Okay. And there will be a force of attraction, and the force of attraction will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. If the force of attraction between these, you will learn about the attractive force in class 12th magnetism. If the wire have current and that is placed at some distance, these two wire will have force of attraction or repulsion. If the direction of the wire, if the direction in the direction of current is same, then there will be a attraction. If the direction is opposite in the wire, the force will be repulsive. The direction is same, that means these two wire current have mutual attraction. If the mutual attractive force is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter length. If you take 1 meter length and force is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton, then the current flowing in the wires is 1 ampere. Once again, I will read the definition. That is, 1 ampere is that constant current. If that constant current, if maintained in two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible cross section, means बहुत ही पतला होगा ये, इसका कोई वायर की कोई थिकनेस नहीं होगी, बहुत पतला वायर होगा, negligible cross section and placed 1 meter apart in vacuum would produce between the conductors a force equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter of the length. This is the definition of ampere. And next is temperature, means Kelvin. What is Kelvin? The definition of Kelvin is 1 Kelvin is the fraction 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. The triple point of water is the temperature at which ice, water and water vapor coexist. Triple point means three phases exist at the same temperature. Means there will be water and ice. Ice is the solid phase, water is the liquid phase, and water vapor, that is gaseous phase. All the three phases exist at a point at a particular temperature, and that particular temperature or point is called triple point of the water or triple point of the any substance. Okay. Next is that is luminous intensity, candela. What is the definition? 1 candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation. Monochromatic means a particular wavelength. If the source contains only one wavelength, a particular wavelength, that is called monochromatic. Sunlight does not contain any particular wavelength, means the sunlight contains many wavelength. That's why the sunlight have many colors. Candela is the once again 1 candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 10 to the power 12 hertz, and that has radiant intensity of 1 by 683 watt per radiation in the direction. Next is mole. Next is amount of substance or mole, that is last. 1 mole is that amount of substance which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram, or simply you can say that 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. The entities may be atom, molecules or ions. You have studied in the mole concept that carbon 12 isotope will have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is the Avogadro number. And carbon 12 gram of carbon 12 will have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. That is also called 1 mole. Okay, 1 mole means number of mole can be calculated. Number of mole can be calculated as mass in gram upon molecular mass. Mass in gram per molecular mass. Next one, that is supplementary units. angle and solid angle. Okay, let us discuss angle. Supplementary units. First is angle and second is solid angle. Radian and steradian, RAD radian, SR steradian. What is radian? If we take a circle, this is the arc, and you all know that angle is equals to arc upon radius. This is R and this is the arc, and this is the angle. Theta is equals to arc upon radius, you all know. 1 radian will be equals to when arc is equals to radius, that is equals to 1. If arc is equals to the length of the radius, then the angle subtained by that particular arc will be equals to 1 radian. 1 radian. If the length of the arc, if you increase the length or decrease the length, the angle will also increase or decrease. That will not be 1 radian. If the length of the arc is equals to the radius, then the angle will be equals to 1 radian. What is solid? What is solid angle? Solid angle is what? Solid angle is what? Solid angle is if you take in place of circle, this is the plane angle or simply angle. If you take sphere in place of circle, if you play a sphere, then if you take a particular area and this particular angle is known as the solid angle, means angle subtended on the center of the sphere. Solid angle omega is equals to area upon radius square. This is the radius and this is the area. If R is 1 and area is 1 meter square, then the solid angle will be equals to 1 is a radian. If the area is 1 meter square and radius is 1, then the solid angle will be equals to 1 is a radian. Or you can say that the area is equals to R square. If the area is equals to the square of the radius, then the solid angle will be equals to 1 is a radian. Okay, I hope you understood this video. Thank you.